All right, so now let's focus on dodging and burning. I just actually worked on the skin tone, so this is just what I did. We were here before, right? Everywhere dark and the rest of. So I just actually applied a solid color and then change it to soft light. Like I said, you can use color, you can use soft light. So I just changed it to soft light, and then I worked with selective color on it to make it look more kind of brownish instead of the ones that we have. So everything looking good and uniform to me. Although it's actually too much, we can bring down this color a bit and make it look realistic. Okay, so let's say we want it here. Now this is I'm going to create a stem visible layer, Control Shift Alternate E for us to do that. So let's get rid of all of these that we've done. Turn it up so we are here from here to here. Okay, we've worked on the skin and we worked on everywhere. So but we didn't work on the wig. You can see that the wig is actually rough, so that's not the subject what we want to talk about now. Like I said, let's create a layer now, adjustment layer for our dodging. So this is going to be our dodge. I'm going to bring it downwards, dodge, and then that's too much though, but create another one, then burn, dodge and burn. This is burn and this is dodge, sorry. So dodge, taking it up, so I'm going to name this dodge, DODGE, enter, name this burn, BURN, burn. So we have two. Now let's group it together and name this one dodging and burning. Okay, so these are dodging and burning, D and G. Hit enter. Okay, so let's open it up. Now on top of it, let's close it first. On top of this layer, I'm going to add the black and white adjustment. So let's go ahead, add the black and white solid color, and you know what the number is, like I said earlier, 80 80 80, right? 80 80 80. So 128 128 120, whichever one. You're going to change the blending mode to color. Now it's going to give you, that's because it's going to give you the right black and white luminosity of it. Now let's zoom in. Let's open up our dodge and burn. In fact, the mask, Control I, do not forget 1 and 2, in fact this one. So let's grab our brush tool and make sure the color on the foreground is white, and also your opacity or your flow, let's reduce it to somewhere like 11%. So let's see where we need to fix. Let's start with micro dodge and burn. I can start from this, this cheek. You can see that it's looking darker compared to this one, so I'm just gonna brighten it up a bit like that and brighten all this place up for the cheek and this side as well. Okay, so that's out of the way, and let's look at this place as contour. So I'm just gonna quickly do all of that. Control Z. Let's decrease the flow and then bring it up because that place is not too bright. I'm gonna bring all this place out, remove this and all of this side, make it look brighter in this one. Okay, so that's just typically the micro dodge and burn. And let's see, I can see this place, so we're gonna burn there. Let's burn like that. I think it's too much. Okay, so we need to burn not everywhere, that side like this. I need to brighten up that side, so I'm gonna click on it. Let's make it smaller and brighten up this side a bit. Okay, so let's brighten up here. I'm gonna leave this side. I'm gonna brighten up this side. Okay, so that's little dodge and burn. You can see all this place looking good. Let's brighten up this place. So that's just little dodge and burn you need to do. Let's zoom out. I think this place needs a little bit brighten up. So it's just to figure out where you think needs brightening up. This cheek, I think we need to brighten up this area. Yep, like that, and brighten up here as well. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's brighten up this place, brighten up here. Okay, so that's this side. Let's see, let's increase and we can brighten up this place. brighten up here, and brighten up somewhere here to make it smooth. So this is just, you know, your normal micro dodge and burn I'm doing, and brighten up somewhere. I'm gonna brighten up this side a little bit. So we have that. Let's brighten up this side a bit. Okay, but now you know. All right, so let's see. Let's turn it off. You see, and on. So you see the difference. I'm going to turn this off, and you can see the difference we have before and after. So those contours are gone before and after. So that's micro dodge and burn, and we can do the normal dodge and burning. So I'm going to show you that one. That one is just to create a solid color layer. What's it called now? Yep, 80 80 80 80 80 80. Hit enter. I'm going to rasterize the layer, and then, you know, convert to smart object and rasterize the layer again. Now we need to change it. We need to change it to one particular one, which I think, let's see, maybe it's not color right now. I think is it's not screen, soft light. Let's try soft light and choose the black and white as our foreground color, and let's see. I'm gonna do something like this. Let me use white. Let's see. I'm coming. Overlay. Yep, not overlay, not soft light, linear light, no, multiply, no. Okay, I think I'm gonna just look for a way, but I think it's soft light. Can be color too. All right, so I'll think about that. I will think about that. Let's see soft light for the now and see how it goes. Yes, I think it's soft light. Then we can decrease the opacity to like 50%. Yes, it's soft light, 50%, and we can brighten up where we need to brighten, like this. Soft light. It's just to create more realistic. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit X to change it to black, and then, you know, create the V shape. So in other words, we are just trying to create a 3D perception. So you can see I'm darkening, making the nose look, you know, like that. And let's give more dimension to this one. Don't do it, otherwise you are going to, you know, bring back your, what's it called now? So something like this. It's there, but you know, then we can go to Windows, sorry, filter, blur, go some blur, and then blur it to some extent. Should be there. It's okay, and let's see before and after. So there are other ways. I think I'm going to show you when we start using, you know, plugins. So just for recap, we did something like this, brighten it up and bringing it back on. So create the stem visible layer, and then we can see where we're coming from. Yep, so from year to year, from year to year. So I really hope this helps a lot. Just follow the video and you're going to see what I did. For those of you who want to check how I got the skin tones, it's actually very easy. We're going to talk about that during color grading as well. So see you in the next one.